saying that I'm a tourist spot, I look like a tarsier.
You know Tarsier?
Tarsier, I don't know Tarsier. What is the Tarsier? Sandarabak?
You know Sandara Park?
Yes, I know. Sandar is Sufi. Tarsier.
Sandara Park is very famous here.
Yeah, it's a very famous
Ah,
park.
yes, I know.
Tarsier is an animal.
Animal? Tarsier. Wow.
Do you believe? Ayun na, nag-lag na siya.
Yeah.
Who is cuter? Tarsier or Esnir?
Ala, nagka-rhyming pa talaga.
Hey. Is this Christian?
Oh,
Yes, as near is more.
I don't have a sound effects right now because I'm charging. Okay, I will sing.
Oh, wait.
Galing ni is this question, pero tanong pa ba yan? Di ba? Parang Pinoy lang.
tinatanong ko ba yan?
Eh, sorry. Sorry naman, Justin, ha? Dami ko ng pagkakamali, eh. Saan?
Ibabasa sa libro.
Parang ano, encyclopedia yung isa dyan. Oh, Wonik,
Yeah.
in your high school, do you have cleaners?
Sorry.
In your high school, do you have cleaners in the classroom?
Cleaner.
Assigned
Cleaner.
in
Group 1, group
class. Your class, do you clean your classroom?
Yeah, sure.
after class?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why?
Yeah. So if you fail on your exam, you pass floor wax.
Eh?
If you fail your grades, do you pass floor wax there in Korea to your teacher, so that your teacher will upgrade your grades?
You give cleaning materials to your teacher for extra grade, for extra score.
Or no?
Example will. No.
No. Sayang naman. Do you fight for wall fan in your classroom?
Fight?
Yeah, do you fight over a wall fan?
No.
Oh, aircon ba sila? Well, but if your teacher is not around, do you list noisy on the board, on the blackboard? You list noisy, the class representative.
Yeah. Right.
Oh,
Yeah.
Debak.
Well,
Debak.
I think high school and school culture is
Are the same.
Yeah, same every in the world.
Not in the Philippines, buddy.
No.
Yeah, well, we're kinda like different from others. We're born different.
So to know more about the high school here in the Philippines, you should go to Esnir's YouTube channel.
With 14 million views. Hala, siya!
He has like series.
My content is about high school.
Oh, really?
About what happens in a high school classroom here in the Philippines. Basically, our culture in high school. That's why my videos, I'm the student, I'm the teacher, I'm your lover, I'm your wife. I mean, I can...
Title ba yung ano mo?
So,
Yeah, English. Oh,
You should
no, but Yeah. I'm just asking because I'm curious if we are the same. We have the same tradition and culture in the classroom.
Mm,
200K na siya. Wala po akong charis lang. Who is your celebrity crush, Monik?
funny.
Sino?
Funny is basketball player.
Oh, si Sean. Andiyan ba si Sean? Wala ah.
As near Funny is from Single Scene Federal Season 3.
Guan Hee.
That's funny.
Guan Hee. I thought it's Guan Hee. Yeah, I know her. Eh di bagay kayo. Eh di wow. Wala dito si Sean.
Do you have friend in Korea?
Friend?
Yeah.
Actually, you're my first Korean friend.
Oh really?
I'm afraid. To be honest, I'm kinda scared when I visit Korea.
Why?
I don't know. I think just like most of the people in the streets are kinda intimidating. But it's okay. You're kind. I'm surprised you're kind. Thank you for being kind.
Being kind?
Thank you for being kind.
No, thanks for you. Thank you.
I have one friend in Korea. I'm sorry. It's Aling Mirna.
Yeah. Aling Mirna, the one we told you.
Aling, you said your friend. Yeah, Aling.
Yes.
Oh, she or her or she or she.
She.
Yeah. Is she singer artist?
She's a rapper.
Rapper.
She can rap.
Really. Arling. She. Your mom.
Mother of all. Anyone.
She mothered. Ano magiging... Feeling ko hindi ako magigising ng 5 a.m. talaga. Malilintikan talaga ako. Kasalanan mo to, Justin, kasi.
Famous TikToker. Vlogger.
Yeah.
Who?
Your friend Arling Maina.
Yes.
We say good words to people. Very
Inspiring and motivational words.
It's in Korean.
She can speak Korean.
Yeah.
She can.
Yeah, sometimes, if ever, if time permits, I will introduce her. I will introduce you to her.
So if yeah. Thank you very much. And I introduced me.
Sure, why not?
No, I have also a friend.
Who?
You.
Justin. Thank you very much.
Play.
I
Yeah.
also have a
Maraming
friend.
salamat. Maraming salamat.
Unik is our friend.
I also have a friend Mingyu.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Roby Domingyu.
Yeah.
Tumatawa, kilala niyo po. Si Robby Domingue. Ang ganda ng joke ha. I'll rate it 9 out of 10. He's joking again. See, we're jokers.
Actually, you're so friendly. Engineer and Justin.
Thank you, thank
Uri na lang yung Mingyu.
Oh, Tagalog. 우리는 친구. We are the friend.
Ah.
Magkaibigan tayo. Kaibigan, 친구. Kaibigan,
Kaibigan.
친구. Magte-take mo?
Panis.
Kaibigan, 친구.
Kaibigan.
Chingu.
Tayo, 우리는.
Chingu. Chingu. Basta-basta
Tayo,
G.
우리는. 우리, tayo.
Tayo.
You know, I have new song coming.
Oh,
Yeah.
The title is 친구, kaibigan.
Oh, really?
Totoo?
Title is Kaibigan.
Okay, 맞아요.
Oh, when?
Yay. Congrats.
Plug to plug. When? On July 19th.
July 19th? Oh, really? Soon.
Yeah. That's also my sister's birthday.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, na-promote ako. Pumunta po kayo sa birthday ng sister. Ala. Yeah, but guys, stream kaibigan this July 19th. Yay! Do you want to promote something, Moni?
Oh,
You have a new show?
yeah.
Oh,
Do you have?
Sorry, I can't understand. Sorry.
Oh, I mean, do you have something to promote?
For advertisement and something.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Oh, actually,
Okay. Yeah, it's okay.
no, yeah. Some, you.
Yeah. I hope you will not forget me when you're famous.
Yeah. I also more famous than now.
Okay na yun. Gets na natin yun. Yes. Absolutely.
perfection.
Very much.
Uy, matutulog na ako.
Hindi ako rin.
Monik, I think I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause I have a shooting movie taping tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good time to write, guys.
It was nice meeting you all.
Good to see
Perfect
you.
time.
Good to see you guys.
Yes. Nice meeting you.